Euro truck action. Matt has armed the camera. Nick is at post 1. Matt, if you will take post 2, or whoever, wherever, doesn't matter to me. He is pole dancing. Throw singles at him. Make it rain, Brady. Make it rain. Because I know Nick. If you throw ones at him, they're just going to come back to the store anyway. All right, drivers, you are listening for that magical go tone. Less than 5. Hold shot, Huntsman pops up the middle. The Castrol rocket to the lead. Hurd and Huntsman battling it out for second. Huntsman taps. Hurd right there. Hurd goes a little wide. He's looking to line up a shot on Huntsman going on the straightaway. Just ticks the inside. Yellow and blue versus green and black. Right now the white and green all out front. He got the pole on the roll. 14-1. 26.611 his pace. Almost a full lap over his TQ. 14.1.7 his hot lap. 14.1.8 his average. Now a 14.27.
43.
14.27. Average is a 14.23. Learn to read the fucking screen. Huntsman in second. Hurd in third. They touch.
13.7.
Mad combat for second slot. Huntsman rolls Hurd. Pops by for the lap. He's coming up on Huntsman. He will be merciless and violent on the Huntsman machine. Huntsman tries to muscle him all. Power control on his side. Vengeance will be sought.
Get ready to hold some balls.
And deliverance. Oh, but Pops rolls it. Unsettled the suspension just enough going to that corner. And a savage amateur marshal by Matt Sharp. Hey, he can do one. Just you got to be mindful of traffic. I'm just telling you. Hey, I defend my kids' ankles. I'm just telling you. I don't need any orthopedic bills. That's more than I can handle.
3:45.
Not good enough. Trust me. His shoe bill alone is murder. Pops coming up on Huntsman again. Oh, look at that shot at the rear bumper. Oh, Huntsman taps. Pops is by. Hurd rolls it. Oh, no. Hurd was made to major ground, but he rolled it on its side. It's okay. I bet Huntsman's got at least one roll left in him, Tom. 3:10 to go.
14.3.
Huntsman trying to drive smooth and consistent. Hurd being aggressive, trying to run him down. 16.4 to a 16.5. Pops last one a 14.3. Oh, nice save, Dad. He puts it on his side, carves it right back up. Still a 15.7. It never stopped moving forward during the entire altercation. Backstep 15.7 with a 14.5 on 24.610. Tom making major inroads right now on Jeff. Jeff 16.7. Tom 16 flat, 7/10 picked up that time. Tom swings out, uses every inch of track, but rolls on its side. Dad has to take evasive action, gets it by. Gives Jeff some breathing room with 2:13 to go. Should I extend the length of this race to 8 minutes? That is the question. And I went ahead and answered it myself with yes.
You're extending it?
3:50 to go. 3:50 remaining. It is now an 8-minute Euro Truck main.
Make it slow.
Keep screwing around, I'll make it 12.
Keep screwing around.
The pace now for Pops at 32.812. Jeff on a 28.8 flat. Tom on a 28.810. Dad, oh no! The problem with Euro Truck is when you lap traffic, you push it in the next corner and you end up on your side. And Tom says, keep harassing Huntsman. I am gaining ground. Tom just got to stay smooth and steady as Dad's getting ready to put the peel on Huntsman. Huntsman taps. Pops goes inside. Huntsman aims for him. He misses by about an inch. And now Tom and Jeff share a straightaway. Oh, come on, Tom. Pops last one a 15.5, 16.7 Huntsman, 15.6 out of Tom. 14.3 now for Dad. 2:15 to go. Maybe I should make it 14 minutes. Pops, 13.88. His hot lap only a 13.77. That was lap 4. Lap 23 was a 13.88. Jeff bumps.
Dad, 6 to 15 minutes.
Hurd makes up 2/10 on Huntsman that time by. Oh, Hurd just a little bit too tight, ticks the plastic, rolls it over.
Extend it.
A straightaway in 2 corners separates them. Tom gives Dad plenty of room, unlike Jeff.
Come on, Jeff, fire this up.
16.9 from Huntsman, 14.3 from Pop, 16.6 from Tom Hurd. 1:15 remaining.
Extend it.
Oh, Tom sides it again. Euro trucks are top heavy. I don't know if you guys might have noticed the large cap sticking up there, but it does make them a little prone to rolling over. Pop's gonna lay the peel to Huntsman. Remember, Dad, Tom Hurd is our Trip Truck Series sponsor. If you can take out Jeff, it might ensure a few extra races next season. 35 to go. Yeah, I know, they had like 42 opportunities to take Jeff out. It's not like Jeff wasn't aiming for you. Oh, Dad, look for the strike. Oh, bump! Bump and run! Oh, Dad barrel rolls it. He's going to get another shot at Huntsman. 15 to go. Dad sticks it in. Huntsman tries, nothing to come back from. Oh, Huntsman smacks it. Here comes Hurd. 3, 2, 1. Time. Pops, you are still live. Everybody else is done. 28s for Jeff and Tom.
Extend that.
Pops goes 32.
Extend it.
Man, there is nothing better than throwing an extra couple of minutes on a heat at the end of a run, just to make people stress out. That's awesome.
You're not saving up batteries?
Yeah. I'm almost done. Oh, and 2 extra minutes.